little bit of a monsoon here on St. John. Filling up the cistern with their Caribbean rainwater. Sun is shining and it is pouring rain.
80 degrees. Oh my gosh, that is so weird. There's going to be a beautiful rainbow someday.
Yeah, somewhere there's a beautiful rainbow. Don't see this every day. Not in Michigan anyway.
You sit in the chair and here, you take a picture of these clouds behind you. And the rain.
The rainbow must be up that way.
It's so fun.
Gotta love it. There's a donkey down there. Okay, looks like it's coming to an end. A rain burst. Just enough to clean everything off. Coral Bay. October 26th or 27th? 26th, 2009. About 9 o'clock in the morning.